New potato season is here in Japan, and I have super easy and delicious recipe for you. These crispy potatoes are coated in miso glaze. It's a perfect balance of sweet and salty flavors. Let's get started. Start by giving them a good scrub. Just clean them up and leave the skin to keep the full, rich potato flavor. Make sure to remove all the dirt and no bits of the soil left behind. Cut them in half and pop them into a pot. Cover the potatoes with water and bring it to simmer over medium heat. Let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes and just enough to soften them, but still firm. Drain the potatoes. While they are cooking, mix your seasonings. Heat a pan on medium and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using grapeseed oil here for its mild flavor and make the potatoes stay crispy without absorbing excess oil. Now throw the potatoes in the pan cut side down. Cover it up and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. The lid helps them cook through faster and keeping that fluffy inside while the outside gets perfectly crispy. Once the potatoes are golden and crispy, remove the excess oil and pour it into the miso mix. Shake the pan constantly to get the glossy, mouth-watering finish. Transfer them to a plate. Look at that glossy finish. Top them with ground sesame seed. The smell is so good and just irresistible. When you bite into them, they are soft and fluffy inside with the crispy outside, all coated in a sweet and savory umami miso flavor. When you find the new potatoes in the grocery store, just give it a try. You'll definitely want to make it again. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to tap the bell icon and subscribe so you never miss my new videos. Follow me on the social media and tag me in your post. I love to see what you make. Join my Happy Eating group on Facebook for more fun and food inspirations. You can find everything I use on my Amazon store. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!